अरे तब आ रहा है डिस्प्ले कैमरा। तुम
साउंड
आ रहा है।
आ रहा है।
माइक्रोफोन ऑन कर दो वहां से।
क्या ऑन करना?
माइक्रोफोन अपना तुम्हारे और आ रहा है ना साउंड?
हाँ आ रही है।
नहीं,
थोड़ी सी लाइट वैसे
टॉपिक
हेलो।
हेलो। हाँ सर।
हाय।
हेलो सर।
हेलो। सेट है।
आप सबकी पिक्चर ठीक आ रही है?
लोग थोड़ा डिस्टेंस कम करो। ज्ञान और ज्ञान पर डिस्टेंस आया।
Yes, audible. We both are audible.
सब सेट है ना? आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ
हाँ सर।
ओके। तो हम लोग तो साइड एंकर हैं। प्रबल मेन गेस्ट है हमारा, मेन एंकर है हमारा, क्योंकि प्रबल सेंटर पे स्कीमा में दिया है प्रबल को। या प्रबल डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करो।
Yeah. So, Harit, I think we have to just start regarding the impact of AI.
रिगार्डिंग व्हाट?
Impact of AI, like how we can implement in our products. Actually, in our products, we can use it by using multiple solutions.
अभी यार तुम लोग डिस्कशन
For
करो
the
अपना।
problem, for the new product, it's very beneficial because I also tried with the new products. With the new products, we can get quick solution and we can easily modify as per our requirement, right?
Yes, yes, yes. While starting the new project, it's very easy to create the POC and to start the first beta version. Then the main thing will start after that actually. So
For the customization, we have to work because AI can help us for every problem and for every point of issue. But for the customization, if there is specific requirement which we can understand, we can put input in our AI project. Like this is our new requirement, this is our new modification. So we can modify that, I think,
yes,
with the
yes.
help of AI.
I had also experimented with the video part also. So I had tried to convert the landscape video to the portrait video using the AI. So on my personal system, it was working fine. I was able to detect properly the object moving in the landscape video. Then it was like effect of the camera, and camera is detecting the object moving inside a bigger video, so that we can capture the object and can make it a portrait layout for the mobile phones.
Yes,
So
yes. For the
that is very interesting. We can play
yeah,
something
same.
around using the AI.
Same for me.
Own
Just
video
like
parts.
a couple of days ago, I have one like work regarding the for every window installation, like for a virtual machines,
Mhm.
our playout application will be automatic deployed. For that, I got the solution. That there are three way of solution AI suggested. I got the better one. That is the console application, by which we can configure our application config at the start,
To start
and
and
then
configure the application using AI agents.
yeah, then I asked to AI I also want to implement a database connectivity by which I can report that application is configured for this channel. So the AI also suggested the solution for the same.
Yes. In the monitoring part also it can help us. So
Yes,
instead of
just
sitting multiple person and monitoring the final output feeds, we can just assign that task to the AI agents so that they can
and monitoring will be
yes,
all the time, like 24/7.
yes, 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 yes. They
And
can
if there
also
will be
detect
drop,
if there is any sync out in the audio video, or need to start the feed, or need to switch to the backup. That also AI agents can handle.
And if there is any drop in the our system, then we can quickly get the notification. Here is the dropping of the your output, or here is some problem issue. Previously, what we are doing, we getting the logs of the application and reading the
Mhm.
logs, and
For log reading also,
that we
yes, it can
identify
help.
this is the problem. Sometimes what is happening, like logs is not getting at that point of view, like at the exact point. So we are sometimes confused, like what is the root cause of the issue.
Mhm.
So detection is also helpful for the AI.
But the main problem, have you faced any?
Yeah. You have you something idea regarding that?
Yes.
Okay.
The main,
Yeah.
I have observed that finalization part is a bit tricky with the AI. So
Okay.
once one product is ready, then we cannot we cannot hand over all the things to the AI that it will auto
Yeah,
finalize all
that
the
is
things.
that is that is a right
That
point
is not,
because
AI is not able to
AI
handle that.
cannot customize and cannot get the
Yes.
100% output for our
Even if
query.
it's changing the feature also, yes. The whole feature is changing in the background.
Sometimes what happening, we also provided the our running projects code for the like some error handling or for some solution that our this solution is working fine. So AI sometimes destroyed the code, and that will be
Yes.
that is okay from their side because AI is following the, but in our customization problems we have to implement the custom rule checks, these type of things of we have implemented, but AI is considering the standard. Maybe in the future with the new products, that is beneficial that we are following the standard
Mhm.
conditions with the help of new projects. But in our current project, we have to be careful to provide all the code to AI.
Yes, yes. But it is very helpful actually.
Yes, that is.
Yes. Recently, I was thinking of creating
We
a new
also we
project.
also work with the Google and Stack Overflow, C Sharp Corner, these type of sites. They are providing the static solution. Like we are asking, this is the problem.
Yes,
They are
90% we have left that part. We are not using
they are providing the
Stack
static
Overflow and
solution. Like
everything. Yes, yes.
this is the solution. You have to use
Ah,
it, or you
mhm.
have to customize it. And if we are asking the question with them, so we are getting the response within 1 or 2 days, maybe in couple of days. But with
Yes.
the AI, we are getting the answer, quick answer, and customized answer
Yes.
as per our query, as per our problem.
Google also started to provide direct answers instead of, yes, giving the pages. It is giving direct answers.
So I think that is using the AI tool like Gemini, this type of tool.
That is also very interesting and useful. Yeah. And recently, I had heard that OpenAI, or I don't know which platform, has stopped the Sora video generation. Sora AI, they have stopped. I think OpenAI has stopped that
Okay, yes, yes.
because of, I think that is because of costing to generate the images and the video.
Yeah, previously from the last, I think 1 year, I am using the Chat GPT for the solutions sometimes, but
Mhm.
now I think Cloud AI is much better than that.
Cloud is better. Yeah. OpenAI
And yeah,
Copilot is not yeah, up to the mark.
for the software development, I think we are not asking the query with the Google search window like this is the problem.
90% is gone. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
approximately 90%
Only
gone.
10% is left for the complex
Even
things.
with the free account, we can get the better solution as compared to Google search window.
OpenAI has also provided a free account for 1 year. I am
Yeah.
using actually that for
Yeah.
personal uses. And with Airtel, I think Perplexity also giving 1 year free account.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Anthropic, I have not tried. Cloud is giving any free account or not? I don't know.
Yeah. I am also using the free account of ChatGPT
Okay.
previously. And with the help of I think Gmail, I am getting the like as per our requirement, I am getting all the solutions. Sometimes it's asking to for the better result, you have to pay or you have to
Yes.
subscribe the ChatGPT.
Recently, I have received a mail that OpenAI, or I think I'm not sure which agent was that. They will store the code on their servers to train the model. So you need to go to the settings and stop that part.
Okay.
So just 2 or 3 days back, I have received the mail that they will use the coding and all the stuff that you agent will access on your system. So you need
Okay.
to go and stop it from the settings.
Okay. That is good for it.
I think in the video part, I think AWS is the leader in the AI segment. Everybody, I think, is using AWS only to detect
Hmm.
the streams and to create landscape to portrait for mobiles. Have you
Okay.
heard any other platform that are providing the same kind of solutions?
No, no, other cloud.
Google is also there, but
Yes.
I'm not sure if people are using it like the AWS.
Okay. Yeah, I also heard about that. Only AWS.
Google Video Service.
Maybe in some other web server like using that one, but I have no idea about that.
Okay.
But previously, multiple cloud systems are coming, but AWS is so much popular. I think even every client is asking about that AWS.
AWS, yes. I
Yeah.
think everyone is using AWS currently.
Mm.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
You,
you can continue.
okay.
Please continue. Let me play some
Okay.
video also for you.
So, have you heard any AI agent working that are working on direct databases? I've not
Um,
heard about that. Like agent on the SQL Server or MySQL or PostgreSQL.
Okay,
no,
sir.
not yet.
SQL has provided, yes. SQL Server, Microsoft is providing something for SQL Server,
Maybe
but
previously SQL notification service or SQL events which are using we
I'm
are
not sure if there
previously
is
I
any
am
open
using
source. Yes.
customized, maybe that was becomes the part of AI, maybe, but I have not used because there is no requirement in the Planet Cast. I think you have remembered we are creating multiple events, jobs, notification in SQL.
Mhm.
So maybe that part is will be part of the AI because previously I think there are multiple DBAs, multiple persons which are monitoring the database mails or multiple things like which server is going on with. So I think SQL may be providing that one, but we are not using it.
I
Maybe.
think we should try that for
Hmm.
database part.
Because that is the also 24 into 7 monitoring system database. This is too much important for every project, every
Mhm. Let's see where it goes. Everything is changing recent. Can we check the video also on this uh, part? Okay. Okay. 5 minutes more.
Yeah. Means after 5 minutes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
publishing
Also
part is
just came and saying,
I think publishing part is left, no?
so probably you are using Cloud ID or you are using Cloud inside the VS Code ID.
No, I am using Cloud AI Windows
Windows
software.
ID.
Yeah, not used in the Visual Studio. I will configure it.
I was more comfortable with
Actually,
the VS Code ID. Yes, that's why.
there are some. I'm just like worried about like if I'm using in our main cloud project, maybe that may
No,
impact
that will
its.
not work. I think in the Cloud AI ID.
Therefore, I am not
That you
using that
use,
because
yeah.
I was
Yes.
thinking that maybe that will impact.
No, for that you need to use the Visual Studio only.
Hi, Prabal. I'm Harit. Let's play one video also.
Okay. Okay.
So here's a video.
లేకుంటే దీని ఒక తగలు పెడతాం మీకు దమ్ముంటే పోలీసు వాళ్ళక ఆ పోలీసు చూస్తాడు దీని ఒక తగలు పెడతాం మీకు దమ్ముంటే పోలీసు వాళ్ళక ఆ పోలీసు చూస్తాడు భాయ్ సాబ్ నేను నీకు చెప్తున్నా సృజన్ నువ్వు వీళ్ళని ఇష్టపెడతానా ఒకరి జవాబు నువ్వు వీళ్ళని ఇష్టపెడతానా
I am using
ఒక్కరి జవాబు
I'm using 0.26.
మీరు గిట్టి ఇప్పుడు ఇష్టపెడితే లొల్లి కాదు లేకుంటే దీని ఒక తగలు పెడతాం మీకు దమ్ముంటే పోలీసు వాళ్ళక ఆ పోలీసు చూస్తాడు దీని ఒక తగలు పెడతాం మీకు దమ్ముంటే పోలీసు వాళ్ళక ఆ పోలీసు చూస్తాడు మీరు గిట్టి ఇప్పుడు ఇష్టపెడితే లొల్లి కాదు లేకుంటే దీని ఒక తగలు పెడతాం మీకు దమ్ముంటే పోలీసు వాళ్ళక ఆ పోలీసు చూస్తాడు దీని ఒక తగలు పెడతాం మీకు దమ్ముంటే పోలీసు వాళ్ళక ఆ పోలీసు చూస్తాడు భాయ్ సాబ్ నేను నీకు చెప్తున్నా సృజన్ నువ్వు వీళ్ళని ఇష్టపెడతానా ఒకరి జవాబు నువ్వు వీళ్ళని ఇష్టపెడతానా ఒక్కరి జవాబు మీరు గిట్టి ఇప్పుడు ఇష్టపెడితే లొల్లి కాదు లేకుంటే దీని ఒక తగలు పెడతాం మీకు దమ్ముంటే పోలీసు వాళ్ళక ఆ పోలీసు చూస్తాడు దీని ఒక తగలు పెడతాం మీకు దమ్ముంటే పోలీసు వాళ్ళక ఆ పోలీసు చూస్తాడు
Rick, please mute your side, no? For time being.
We can start discussion. Manu Prabal, please. Mute, Harit. You are on mute.
Unmute yourself.
Probably, I think you should try latest Visual Studio. 2000.
No, I have installed 126 currently. I will configure it.
Which version you are using currently?
It's Visual Studio 2026.
26. In that, I think you can include the cloud agent.
Okay, I will configure it.
That will help for restructuring and addition of new modules in the
Means
code.
without any prior information, it will not impact our existing code, right?
Yes.
Without our
You can start the plan mode in that. In the plan mode, it will only plan, and there are three modes in that: plan, edit, plan plus edit, and directly do the changes.
Okay,
So
I will use the plan
you
mode.
want
Okay.
if you want discussion about the code, then use the plan mode. If you want to use plan plus edit, first it will plan, then it will ask, can I do this change? Can I do this change? Can I do this change? Yes, you can specifically select those changes, or you can also neglect or remove those changes. Rollback also will work. And in the direct, you just give the command and it will change all
No,
of
that
the
will
class.
not. Yeah, that will not good
Yes,
for us because it will impact our all existing functionalities. Maybe because I think you are aware about that. There are lots of conditions, lots of like checkpoints in our application.
Yes.
So without our information, I think editing should not allow directly in our existing product. In the new product, which we are currently completely downloading with the cloud and editing on the cloud project, I think that will be we can provide the complete access.
Yes. So I am mostly using the plan mode and plan plus edit. For
Okay.
new only, for initial basic POC and the first beta version, we can directly give the commands.
Okay.
Have you faced any limit also on the cloud agent currently? In
No.
this, no.
No, I am using regularly and there is
In
no limit.
Cursor, yeah, there was limit actually.
No, I am using Cloud AI, not Cursor.
Earlier, for 2 days, I had used the Cursor also.
Okay.
And the single day, I think
With the subscription, you are facing the limit with the subscription.
in Cursor it was, yes. there was limit. It was saying like 10%, 20%. On the end day of the end, it was 87, 90%. It
Okay.
has not stopped, but it was saying that 90% of the tokens are used for today.
Okay. In Cloud
But
AI, I
in
have
cloud,
not
I
tried.
have no, yes, in cloud, there is no any limit currently.
So you have purchased the cursor with your own, or you are
No, no,
using
no.
the open source.
No, Moise provided one account of the
Okay.
cursor to test it earlier.
Okay. Okay.
So for video player, I had used the cursor.
Yeah, that will be good because with the directly working on the video player, I think we are not getting complete solution with the Google or anything else. So with the AI, we can do it.
Yes, but I have not tried it for videos. I'm planning to use it for video generation and other things like video editing,
Okay.
subtracting the video, object detection. For that part, I had not tried. Will plan for it now.
Okay.
Moise is not there.
No, he is inside the room with sir.
Actually, I visited with the Moiser in Google Cloud AI, I think one event in the Delhi. So
Yes.
they are saying about the complete thing like Google is completely preparing for the agent for everything, now not for the software domain, for the
Mhm.
every domain like for marketing, for managerial, for for medical. So every domain is covered with the AI. So
I
with
have.
the agent, what they are doing, we are providing the job like these jobs. This agent will be work like this agent will handle these five members data like what they are doing and what is the like activity from their side. And even if our organization provide the access of our EMS or ERP with
Mhm.
the our ticketing system. So cloud can predict like what is the output of this person. And suppose someone is taking leave, so uh, it can predict what is the output and what where is the loophole in the output,